I'm going to show you in this video how to add apps on Wix website builder. Okay, so what you're going to need to do if you want to add an app on Wix, you're going to have to click on here, add apps, and this is the icon, and here you have Wix app market. And for instance, you're going to find here Wix blog, okay? And here you can find Wix blog. There's so many apps you can search for. For instance, something that I really like here, instead of going here, what I like to do is to go here to my business, and then here I can find all the apps I installed. I installed already Wix app. I can click on here and delete the app if I want to. And I can find a Wix portfolio, Wix search, Wix site search, and Wix forums and payments, which are those apps are you can find here and find apps. You can also go here to, as I said here, Wix app market. You can find those apps here. But here, if you let's say you want to, here I'm on the Wix editor, and if I just want to go here to the site, to the blog, and just create a blog, I'll just click on here. Instead of just go here to my dashboards, and then I'm just gonna have to go to, so you don't have to go here on the dashboard, and then here you go to the blog, and then just click on post, and then create post. So that's why I like to click on here my business. I can also check all the apps I installed on my website. I can click on here to create a new project. You can find apps here, explore more tools. You can also look through some of the tools you might need for your website, and also some apps you might need for your website. So you can go here, and then maybe even some of this the apps that you see here you might find helpful, or if not, you can click on some of the categories here and check all the apps that you can use on Wix, right? So you have a bunch of apps for different use for blog. You have apps that you may find helpful for your blog. You have here Easy blog for ECU optimization, polls, chats, comments, phone, community, our CRM as well, for design, for media, for services, for sell online. Also, you have for drop shipping. So yeah, you have a lot of options as you can see. So I hope you found this short video helpful on how you can add apps to your website. So thanks for watching and take care.